Ask a question.
Which part of speech explains a physical action, mental action, and a state of being?
Repeat your question.
Which part of speech explains a physical action, mental action, or state of being? Right answer.
The answer is verb and it's a correct answer. So this team is getting 1 mark. Next question from team articles to team tense. Yes.
What is the name of omission of an article where no article is required? What is the name of omission of an article where no article is required? What is the name of omission of an article where no article is
मैम
required?
प्रिंसिपल सर का कॉल आ रहा है.
Ma'am, time up.
Correct answer. So you tell the correct answer.
Zero article.
Zero article. Okay. Have you heard of anything like this?
Yes.
हाँ? Zero article किसने सुना है?
नहीं मैम.
नहीं. This question I don't consider this a question. Ask another question.
Which article is used before the name of unique thing in the universe?
Correct. Good. 1 mark. Okay. Second question from team tense to team articles. Yes.
What is the purpose of essay title?
What is the purpose of title in an essay? What could be the purpose?
To express the whole essay in the one
In one word. To express whole essay in one word. What's your answer?
To indicate the purpose.
Absolutely correct. His answer is very good. One. Next question. Who is asking? Yes.
Who is the father of English grammar?
Who is the father of English grammar? Okay, time up. Do you know the answer? What's the answer? Tell me.
Lindley.
Only Lindley. Is this a full name?
And Lindley.
Okay, it is good to know some things about her. Lindley More. Okay, good. The question is not there in our syllabus, but we should know these things. But this question also I would not consider in this. Okay, but good question. Ask another question.
Which part of speech joins word, phrases or clauses? Which part of speech joins word, phrases or clauses?
Conjunction.
Correct. Good. 1 mark. Yes. Next question.
Which application does not ask for permission but requests the issue of an official document? Which application does not ask for permission but requests the issue of an official document?
Letter.
She is asking of
SLC.
Very nice way of asking. Good question. Okay, next question. Yes.
If I dash his advice, I would not be in this trouble right now. Option have taken. Option B will have. Option C have taken. D A and C both.
Repeat the question.
If I dash advice, I would not be in this trouble right now. Option A have taken. Option B had taken. Option C will have. Option D A and C both. Wrong.
Then what's the answer?
Have taken.
Because it's in past tense, beta. What he is saying, he is regretting that if he had taken the advice, then he would not be in the trouble. क्योंकि पहले पास्ट की बात हो रही है, दैट इज वाई हैव नहीं आएगा, हैड आएगा. ओके, चलो नो प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Which tense expresses a habitual action?
Which tense expresses a habitual action? Yes. Very simple.
Present.
Correct. Good. Next question. Next question.
आर्टिकल्स बताना है इसमें से. He was reading blank Bibbly while waiting for blank train at blank station.
Let me read. Wait. Which one? He was reading dash Bible while waiting for dash train at dash station. So he was reading dash Bible. Which article will come? Before Bible, what should come? Give me one answer. Some of your participants are saying, "Oh, what is your final answer?" Final answer is a. Okay, wait. Don't tell them whether it is right or wrong now. Okay, first they are saying A. While waiting for dash train. Which article? Anyone should answer, na? You command. Who will answer? Second, they are saying the. Okay, at dash station. Yes. At end station. N. Before station N. Time is also up and three blanks were there. Okay, and they have given how many correct? Only one, and that too after time limit. So this won't be considered. Please tell them all the correct answers.
He was reading the Bibbly while waiting for Bible while waiting for the train at the station.
Before any of the renowned books, mythological books, what should we put? Which article? The. Okay, no problems. Next question.
Which conjunction introduce a dependent clause?
Okay.
Which conjunction introduce a dependent clause?
Coordinating conjunction.
Wrong answer.
Okay, what's the correct answer?
Subordinating.
Subordinating. Okay, so for this you won't be getting any marks. Yes, for this round, last question from your side, please. Last question.
By next December, she from his school for 10 years.
Please loudly, beta.
By next December, she dashed from his school for 10 years. Option A, will have teaching. Option B, has been teach. Option C, will have been teaching. Option D, will teach.
Question by question.
By next December, she dashed from his school for 10 years.
Will have been.
Will have been teaching, correct?
Correct.
Yes, absolutely good. Okay, so after round 1, team 10, that is girls team is at 3 and team articles, that is boys team is at 4. तो आज जो है वो कांटे की टक्कर है, ठीक है? So good, both the teams. Clap for yourself. Again, we'll be starting with team 10 asking team article. The very first question.
What should be the tone of every application written to the principal?
What should be the tone of every application written to the principal? What should be the tone? Yes. Formal. Is it correct? Yes, absolutely correct. Good one. Next question. Yes.
Which pronouns refers back to the subject of the same sentence? Which pronoun refers back to the subject of the same sentence?
Which pronoun refers back to the subject of the same sentence? Okay, you please answer.
Reflexive.
Reflexive pronoun. Okay, good, but better this is out of syllabus, so I will not consider this question. Ask some other question.
which type of conjunction join birds or groups of birds of equal rank?
Of equal rank. Which type of conjunction joins words or group of words of equal rank? Yes. There are many types of conjunctions. So which type is this? Yes, time is running up. Superlative is not a conjunction, beta.
Time up.
नहीं अभी 5 सेकंड बचे हैं. अच्छा, this is second round ना 15. Yes, time is up. Okay, you tell the correct answer.
Coordinating conjunction.
Coordinating conjunction. So you won't be getting marks. Okay, good question. Next. Yes.
Which type of letter does not require subject line? Which type of letter does not require a subject line?
Yes.
Informal.
Right answer.
Correct. Very good. One mark. Yes. When necessary, you can all clap. Huh? Yes. Next question from whose side? Yes.
Which address is written first in a formal letter?
Which address is written first in a formal address? Formal letter. Which address is written first in a formal letter? Sender's address. Correct. Very good. One mark. Yes. Next.
Which writing style is suitable for a formal letter?
Which writing style is suitable for a formal letter? Yes. Which writing style is
लास्ट में
suitable?
ऐसे था लेटर की जगह ऐसे.
Essay. Which writing style is suitable for an essay?
Time up.
Okay.
Formal essay.
Answer is formal. It was an easy question, beta. Okay, let us not consider this question. So it was very easy. But still, ask another question.
Which verb requires an object?
Which verb requires an object? Yes.
Transitive verb.
Yes, very good. Correct answer. Yes, next question.
Which tense is called the default tense for habit and routines?
go back.
Which tense is called the default tense for habit and routines?
Habit and routines. Kind of repetitive this question is. Just now someone has answered the correct one. Habits and routines, which tense?
Present.
Okay, good, correct. Yes, next question.
Which part of speech express sudden emotion? Which part of speech express sudden emotion?
Easy, very easy. Parts of speech जो होते हैं, remember all the parts of speech that you remember. Time out. Tell the correct answer. Interjection. It was an easy one. Okay, no problems. Yes. Oh, sorry. You have been hanging. Chal. Yes, बेटा थोड़ा जल्दी.
Since you are since you are here help me.
Which question, beta? Since you are here, help me. They are asking which part of speech is since here. Okay. Since you are here, help me. In this sentence, since is which part of speech?
Wrong.
Wrong. Yes, what's the correct answer? Conjunction. Okay. Okay, next question please.
Which adjective compares 3 or more nouns? Which adjective compares 3 or more nouns?
Beta, it's very easy.
Okay.
Okay.
Superlative.
Superlative. Okay. बहुत easy था. Good question. It's good question. Okay. Last question. Last question from Team Articles to Team 10 for round 2. जल्दी पूछिए बेटा.
Which tense indicates the duration of an action up to a point in the past?
Repeat.
Which tense indicates the duration of an action up to a point in the past?
Which tense indicates duration of an action up to a point in the past?
Past perfect continuous.
Past perfect. Okay, after round 2, 3 and 3. That means team tense, that is girls team, is at 6, and team articles, that is boys team, is at 7. Neck to neck still. Back up both the teams. Let's see who will win. Okay.
Which of these is the future verb? Which verb has the main verb? An auxiliary verb is also known dash verb.
करेक्ट हो तो मुझे बताते जाओ.
Which tense is used for schedule future events?
Past.
Which auxiliary verb is used in the future continuous tense?
Will.
Right. Which tense show the action continuous until now?
Past.
What is the primary function of article in a sentence?
Past.
Which tense uses has dash have plus V3? Verb third.
Present perfect. Correct. Yes.
What does collective nouns represent? Conjunction is a word used to dash word has.
Okay, 60 seconds. Okay. See, this second point is the answer is given by some other word. So let us see, we'll consider it or not. So till now we are having 1 mark in round 3. Okay. Okay. Now from your side, who will be asking questions? Okay. Who two are answering? Please come. थोड़ा पास हो जा बेटा. या खड़ा हो. Nobody will talk. एक मिनट वेट करो. टाइमर लगा. Your time starts now.
Which are called independent articles?
Past.
Only, join, understood,
Past.
before, in, think, before, you, act. Which conjunction?
Past.
Which tense? Identify the part of speech. What is your name?
Noun.
Wrong. Which ancient language is the origin of the word grammar? Which ancient language is the origin of the grammar?
English. Then.
Wrong. Which branch studies the meaning of word and sentence?
Past. The tense then.
Wrong. Which
Okay, so we need not to consider this. Okay, so for round 3, team articles got 1 marks, team tense got 0 marks. Okay, so what I think the reason is both of you have asked very difficult questions to each other. Okay, that's the reason. But good, questions were very good. So I want that for the next time you should also be able to answer. Clap for yourself.
इधर